Understanding recalibrate in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a word that's quite useful and powerful when used correctly: recalibrate. Whether you've heard it in a business meeting, seen it in a tech article, or just stumbled upon it while reading, understanding this word can really add value to your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in and get a clear picture of what recalibrate means and how to use it. Recalibrate is a verb that comes from the noun calibration. To understand recalibrate, let's first break down calibration. Calibration refers to the process of accurately determining and correcting the values of a machine or instrument by comparing them with a standard. So, when you recalibrate something, you are essentially adjusting it again, or resetting it, to improve its accuracy or function after it has been in use. You might use recalibrate in a variety of contexts. In a technical sense, when discussing adjusting instruments or machines. In a metaphorical sense, to talk about making changes to plans, goals, or attitudes. In a personal sense, when someone adjusts their thoughts or behaviors. For instance, a technician might recalibrate a scale to ensure its readings are accurate. A project manager might recalibrate project timelines based on new information, or you might recalibrate your study methods after getting a test back. Let's look at some sentence examples. 1. The lab technicians needed to recalibrate the equipment for the experiments to be successful. 2. After the economic downturn, the company had to recalibrate its growth strategy to stay competitive. 3. I'm planning to recalibrate my diet and exercise routine to achieve better health results. These sentences show the versatility of the word recalibrate and how it can be applied in different scenarios. There you have it, a closer look at the word recalibrate. It's a handy term that can help you describe adjustments and improvements in various situations. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use recalibrate with confidence. Remember, language learning is about building up your vocabulary one word at a time, and you're doing great. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.